Hi everyone, welcome back to OUAI's YouTube channel. My name is Leah and I'm going to take you through my nighttime routine and let you know what I skip, save, and splurge on. So before I even start my skincare routine, I like to put my hair in a mask to let it soak in while I do my skincare routine. That way when I wake up in the morning, it's nice and healthy and repaired. So my favorite mask to use is our treatment mask, and this is $32. It's a little bit of a splurge if you're not that into hair care to invest in something like this, but I can tell you that a little will go a long way and it will last you a long time, especially if you have super fine hair like me. So I'm gonna show you exactly how much I use. This much. And just rub it through, make sure it's really evenly coated. And then I put it just on mid-lengths to ends. Since, like I said, I have really fine hair, I don't like to put any product on my roots that I don't absolutely have to. And then once it's all through, I'm gonna clip my hair back. Okay, just to get the hair away from my face. And then I'm gonna go into removing all my makeup. So this is something that I definitely save on. I like to use these cleansing wipes, and they're very similar to the Neutrogena ones. I honestly use both. To be quite frank, the grocery store was out of the Neutrogena one, so I got these. And these are only $7, so total save. A good tip to both save the environment and to save you some money is I rip them in half. And then take off all my makeup, reveal the real Leah. After wiping my face clean of all makeup, or at least I hope so, I'll go in with my face wash, and this is definitely something that I save on also. But this is only $24. It's by Go-To and it's called Properly Clean, and I like it because it's just a nice light foamy wash. I really like this one too because you can like really feel it working. And then I always pat my face dry. You're never supposed to rub your face with a towel. After cleansing my face, I like to go in with an exfoliator. You can save on this. This one's only $25 and it's a really nice exfoliator. Some of the exfoliators I tried are just too rough on my skin. So I just take a little bit on a cotton pad and lightly rub on my face. A little goes a really long way with this, and I don't even need to use this every night. I'll use it, honestly, 1 to 2 times a week is enough for me. Next, I like to go in with a mask. I've been using this one by Summer Fridays. It's the R&R mask. This one's a little bit of a splurge. It's $52, but you only need a tiny bit, and it's a really luxurious moisturizing mask. I only use a little bit, and it's really beautiful when it comes out. I'll just rub this in a little bit, and then you just let it sit for like 10 minutes, and I'll catch up with you once I wash this off my face. Okay, now that my mask is all washed off, I go in with this Olehenriksen, again, I love this brand, Balancing Force Oil Control Toner. This is something that you can save on. It's really not that expensive. It's only $28, and I've used this much, you can see, and I've had it for probably 8 months now. This will change your entire skin tone, texture, everything. It's amazing. You just lightly put it on your skin. It takes off all of the dirt and oil that you didn't even know you had, and all that leftover makeup that you didn't realize was still on your face. It's all going to appear like magic. Do you see that? After I use the toner, I'll use yet another product from Olehenriksen. This one is called Invigorating Night Transformation Gel, and this is a little bit of a splurge. This is $49, but it'll last you a really long time. I've had this the same amount of time as my last one, and there's a little bit left in the bottle. I only use a little bit. It's like a jelly texture. You see how little I need to use? And I will put this on my face. And what this will do is it will just even my skin tone and texture overnight. Next is Serum. I have so many products. Okay, I just got this from Summer Fridays. This is also a little bit of a splurge, but if you're gonna splurge on something, I'd splurge on the serum because it's going to do everything you need in one bottle. Since I want to maintain this youthful skin, it's really important that you use a serum with vitamin C in it. So that's why I really like this one. And you also only need a little bit, but you're getting a really luxurious product that will really, really help your skin. I also have some pretty sick under eye circles. So I'll go in with this from Skin Iceland. This is a Splurge product. It's $39, and you might be thinking it's a really little tube for $39, but it is a really amazing product, and you will definitely feel the results right as soon as you put it on. And I'll just squirt a little. It's kind of gross. It looks like a pop pimple. And you put it on underneath your eyes. And it's supposed to just help illuminate your eyes. If you have dark under eye circles, you'll love this. Then I've been using this Youth to the People Kale and Aloe Sunflower Oil Tripeptide 5 Age Prevention Superfood Eye Cream. It's a lot of words for a small bottle, but it is amazing. Super thick and moisturizing. And this one is going to be $35, so it's a save, and I really literally only use this much. So that's the thing about skincare, is all skincare is going to be a little bit on the pricier side, but you will get a lot out of each product because you only need a tiny amount per day. So it should last you a really long time. Okay, my eyes feel amazing. Next comes the moisturizer. So this is the most important part of my routine. It's not the cleansing, it's not the exfoliating, it's the moisturizing. And this is something I do splurge on. It's this Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream Moisturizer. This is a huge bottle of it, by the way. This is not sold in stores. I don't think you can buy this, but the normal size is $64, and you will fall in love. Your skin will drink it up. This is so worth it in my opinion, because moisturizing is so important for age prevention, and I will savor this every last drop. And I actually looked up, and Charlotte has a whole method on applying this, and I'm a total geek because I looked it up on YouTube. And you're supposed to apply it in sections on your face. It's almost like you're giving yourself a facial at home, and up and away, and you're almost like contouring your face. It looks super weird. Next, I will go, so now that I have the moisture on my face, I will go in with some moisturizer on my body, and I like to use OUAI's new, that I don't have. So I'll use OUAI's new body cream. This stuff is amazing. It's a save, it's only $38, and it will last you a really long time. And we created it in a tub, so it's super easy to get all that goodness out. I will use just a little bit, and I'll put it all over my arms. It smells so wonderful, it's a new scent. And the last bit that I need to moisturize are my lips. I have super, super chapped, dry lips year round. Doesn't matter if it's winter, spring, summer, fall, my lips are chapped. So this is a hack that I love using to save on products that I don't need to spend a lot of money on. I get sample sizes. So this is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. And it's a mask made for your lips, and it looks like this. And I fell in love with this stuff after the first night of using it because it actually makes your lips plump somehow in the morning. I don't know how. And I'll just seal it up and use it again. And this you can get samples at like Sephora or anything. Learning how to budget with your skincare routine is super important, and it takes a lot of self-identification. So do some research online, find out what your skin type is, how old you are has a lot to do with it, what are the main goals you want to get out of your skincare routine, and then you'll know specifically which products you're going to want to splurge on. There are a ton of articles online that can help you, and they'll tell you, this is the ingredient you want to look for, this is the major part of your skincare routine. So I looked at that, and my major points were anti-wrinkles, anti-aging, keeping the skin young and bright and youthful, and tightening it. So I definitely suggest splurging on those products and then saving on the more minimal ones like face wash and looking into buying those samples from Sephora or another retailer. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned some things, and if you have any tips, please leave them in the comments below. and we'll see you next week.